y'all, so I have put my hair, my teeny weeny afro, into rubber bands. I'm gonna insert a picture so y'all can check it out. When I get like in this area, I'll give you guys a tutorial because I'm just trying to see if they're gonna work. And if they work, I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, she's laughing. If they work, I'm gonna show you guys the technique that I used to get them in my head and to stay in my head. I'm gonna fingers crossed to see how this works. So I'm gonna come back with half the head done, and if it's cute, I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. Okay, guys, now that I'm closer to the top, yeah, y'all, I have rubber band all of what I want in. I look so crazy, but let me show you guys the kind of hair that I'm using. If anybody's out there looking for synthetic human-like hair that looks like human hair, then I would recommend the 3 times I define easy body, and I'm using 1.5 packs because it comes with 3 in it. And then of course I used a whole pack to do teeny weeny afro to a ponytail, so I wasted, I wasn't expecting to do something like this. Already sectioned the hair, so just don't make it hard. Literally put your hair in rubber bands. The back of my hair looks like complete just shit, but the front is cool. So now I noticed that it was easier. In the back I did crochet, like I crocheted the hair into my hair, but I wouldn't recommend crocheting it because it's a lot harder to crochet it because my hair, it doesn't blend with the crochet. So I'm gonna show you guys what has been working. I just take a bit of hair, about this much, but I like to already have some separated because it just makes it a little easier when the hair is already separated. So you just take about that much. All right, this should be enough for now. I'll show you guys in the front. So I've been smoothing it out a bit. Zoom you in. I'm leaving out my baby hair so I can like swoosh some stuff. Literally just take it around and begin braiding. And the rubber band is gonna come out, so forget the rubber band. I just didn't put the rubber band tight around the edges of my hair. And that's literally it. If you don't know how to braid, I have 3 other tutorials of braiding, like individuals, box braids, knotless box braids. So if that's what you're into, I have those tutorials for you guys. So for the ones around my face, I just stop it at about here. And you see that there's hair left out, but don't worry about that. I just literally wrap it around it. Then I begin braiding down. And the cool thing about this hairstyle, it's okay if it's messy. The messier it is, honestly, the cuter it is. Yeah, I was just looking for a hairstyle for the holidays, something easy. I didn't really want to wear a wig like for the holidays, low-key, because with the baby traveling and breastfeeding, it just makes me hot. So this has been the easiest method for me. In the back, I have like hair this length, like it's about that long. I crocheted it, but I wasn't feeling the crochet. I wish I would have just done this method because it would have blended my hair with the hair better. So don't worry about all this, my little tiny hairs poking out. Don't worry about that. Come show them Soli. Soli is mad, y'all. Oh, come here, baby. I got you. Mommy got you. Ooh. You want to say hi? You say hi, Soli. She's pissed off, y'all. Soli, say hi.
She is starting to fit.
You just wanted to be with your mommy, huh? You see you? Baby, you see you? You see you? Cheese. Thank you. All right, let's go. I'm gonna go feed her and I'll be back. Okay, now that we are here, I'm going to take my scissors and just kind of like drag at the hair and just cut off any raggedy ends. Then I'm going to show you guys how we're going to decorate it and camouflage our actual hair. And then we got to swoosh baby hairs. Push the things together. And then we have thread, and I have some Bohemian little thingies because we have a short haircut. So like these little areas in the front, add one here. So we're gonna just take this tan string and we're gonna take one of these pieces. We can actually just start it at the top. Just make an easy little knot, not even a knot, just like one. And then we're going to braid it down our hair. And where my hair is, I'm gonna just bring it a few times around it. So you could really cut it off or leave it bohemian-esque, you know.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.